Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked, on Wi-Fi, and signed into your Apple ID. This allows settings to transfer automatically. Once the HomePod Mini is plugged in and shows a pulsing white light, you should hear a chime. Now bring your iPhone close and follow the on-screen setup card. Tap Setup and choose the room. This step links the speaker to your Home app and hands off network and Apple ID details so Siri and personal requests will work. After the initial pairing, take time to choose the correct room and Siri language so voice control is accurate. Make sure you enable personal requests if you want messages and reminders read, and grant location/services permissions for automation and intercom features. If you have Apple Music or alternate services, allow or sign them in now so playback works. Finally, confirm Home app assignment and enable handoff so audio. Finish by testing simple Siri commands, playing music, and sending an intercom to make sure everything responds correctly. If you plan stereo playback, add and pair a second HomePod Mini in the same room via the Home app. Otherwise, create automations like schedules or scenes. If something goes wrong, try the quickest fix first. Restart your router and iPhone, update iOS, then reset the HomePod by unplugging, waiting 10 seconds, plugging back in and holding the top until it flashes red to force a factory reset before retrying setup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.